cool car. 31, 32 grill, drop axle, straight. 409, and I can't wait to hear this thing start up because I have a feeling this might be unbaffled and loud. The interior in it, so sweet. Of course, he brought the baby along with him. I wonder how he likes that. Oh, the baby does have earmuffs or ear protection. Good for him. Classic lines. I really like the dash. Probably got about 8 gallons in that tank. Hardwood deck. Beautiful car. This guy, him and his dad did everything on this car except for the interior, the leather. Classic rear end. Love the coilovers. Those are really pretty. This is the first time I've seen this at the show. He's actually taken the detail to paint the brake lines red to match the wheels. Battery box back here. Sweet ride. And when I say everything, he did the paint, the build, the engine. Nice ride. 409 Offenhauser finned aluminum valve covers and 3 deuces. I don't know who makes those air cleaner covers, but I like it. I have to find out from the owner where they get those from, although I don't have anything with 3 deuces on it. Just love it. So Scott tip for you. Audis, BMWs, Mercedes, German cars, they have these little O-rings, copper on the drain plugs. And they're one-time use. They look like this sometimes after the first use. If you reuse that copper ring and it looks like that, you can have a leak on your oil change. And then that's a pain because you got all this new fresh oil in here and it's leaking, and now you've got to drain it out again to put a new copper ring in there. You could reuse the old oil, but that's really, really messy. I've got a fix for you and I'll show you how it works, okay? It takes 2 people, but what you can do is hook up a shop vac to the oil cap above, turn it on, and it creates a vacuum inside the engine and holds the oil up. Watch. As I take off this drain plug, okay, Johnny. It holds the oil in there, right? So then you can change the plug, change the copper fitting real quick, and put it back up there. Watch when he lets go of the vacuum. Go ahead, Johnny, let go. It'll get you out of a bind if you have to, right? Rather than waste all that oil or make a real big mess, this can get you out of that little bit of a bind. That looks to be a bone stock R. That's nice. I've got those wheels, I just have them put away in the garage. Pretty much bone stock. I think he's put a new head unit in it, right? And a catback exhaust. Right there, Geo Engineering catback. That's hard to find exhaust actually. It weighs 9 pounds. It's a specially manufactured out of Japan, and it's really hard to find that exhaust. Go down the road here. Your typical players, this car show. But a couple things that have shown up. One is this 383. Love this car. It's just set up to be a racer, street racer. Nice lines on it, good paint. You know, some of the body panels will be worked, but it really a sharp looking car. I like Mopars. Don't know why. Just the styling was way above anything else out there between Ford, Chevy, and Mopar. Mopar seemed to really have the key and the advantage on the styling, if you ask me. A great Dodge Super B. Something else I've never seen at this show. This is McLaren. That came in, sounds great, looks great. Really nice car. It's got a nice cleaned up, sound great coming in. I can imagine how hard this thing is to drive around Houston streets with how being low it is in that carbon fiber lip. Porsches and Vipers. It's a really nice old Viper or Porsche. Really clean. Looks like custom seats. This is set up nice. Whose is this?
I have no idea. Somebody with money.
Somebody with money.
And not us.
Well, it's set up really clean.
Yeah.
Like the thick wheels.
Like